Welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. I am hanging, I'm editing Vlogmas yesterday on the sofa, and she's just ordered something from Deliveroo. Let's go see what it is. This is very healthy ingredients for a hangover. You're making focaccia today. I thought you were going to forget about that. Yeast. Oh my god, I'm so excited. We had like a bet on by the end of the year that if Jeff didn't bake me something by the end of the year, something was going to happen. Something was going to happen. Neither of us can remember what that thing was, but he's obviously threatened by it because he's making me focaccia today. Focaccia. Have you ever done this before? I have done my editing for the day and played some Baldur's Gate 3, and now I'm going on the Peloton. I haven't been on it in a while. I just know that I'm going to be eating so much food over Christmas, so I want to work out today whilst I can. I also need to wash my hair today, so before I go on the bike I'm going to put some Philip Kingsley elasticizer on and leave this in as a little hair mask whilst I do my bike ride. I think I'm only going to do 20 minutes today because I am a little bit hungover. I don't feel awful, but I don't want to push myself too hard. I feel like the last time I went on the bike I overdid it a bit and I felt really ill after, so I don't want to do that today. So I'm just going to put this through maybe the ends of my hair, then brush it through and tie it in a very tight bun to marinate whilst I do my exercise, and then when I get out I will wash my hair. Put a little bit on underneath as well because I always seem to get very matted at the back. You're supposed to do this on like wet hair, but I just do it on dry because I'm lazy. Right, let's go on the bike. Made shakshuka for lunch today. Well, it's more of a brunch. So we are going up to Harrogate to visit G's family just for a couple of days. I'm gonna pack. I am gonna pack way too many knickers because I always get worried that I'll like shit myself every day of the trip, which never has happened. But you can't be too prepared for those situations, you know. Some pajamas, comfy clothes. Maurice, are you okay? Oh, and then definitely some like comfy knickers to travel in because you do not want to be sitting in a car in uncomfiness. Christmas. What is everyone wearing on Christmas Day? Because I normally just wear pajamas. I just want to be comfortable. But people dress up, don't they? Okay, I treated myself to the new tea. It's a loose leaf tea from a brand called Bird and Blend. I have wanted to try some of their tea for so long, and I saw this on the website and I think I got it in Black Friday, so it's a tiny bit cheaper. It's called Snowball and it's basically like a Christmassy blend of tea. It's chocolatey and coconutty and it's got like marshmallows in the mix. So I'm going to make a couple of this for me and G and we'll see if it's any good. I hope it is. Because I think... your dad's calling you. Oh, my dad never calls me. I've got to pick it up. I was just making a cup of tea.
You got cats? Is that a hair thing you got on?
I've got cat ears on yet.
You look like a lion, actually. From The Wizard of Oz.
Have you seen Wicked?
No, you couldn't pay me to watch that.
Apparently it's really good.
Yes, apparently it's really good, but it's also got all those songs in it from Wicked.
Yeah. How much tea do I put in a loose leaf tea? 1 teaspoon?
Yeah, just a teaspoon, yeah. Is it black tea?
Yeah, but you can add milk.
You can add, yeah, put more. It just depends on your taste.
I feel like I'm making a potion.
I like making tea cocktails, to be honest. Oh, nice.
Sounds interesting.
Sounds very nice.
Well, if you come round at some point, you can have a cup.
What time you wearing on Monday?
My dad just called. My dad never calls, so when he does, it's very nice. Yeah, this tea, Snowball tea, I can't remember if I said that. Doesn't look the most appetizing, but it does smell nice. Focaccia is also still proving. In fact, I can't remember how long it's been proving for, but whoa, it's getting really big now, so I think it's about time to sort it out. I've just realised that I need to prove it for another hour and a half, so I'm going to finish this off now. I'm following a TikTok recipe for this focaccia. I don't know if my consistency is right. Right, tip my dough into the tray. I don't know if I've been doing this right. I will be honest, I have no idea if this focaccia is going to turn out okay. I'm not sure it's the right consistency, but we're about to finish it off. It is very wobbly. And I've got my ingredients prepped. I'm just going to put on some rosemary, tomatoes and red onions. So yeah, let's see. Let's try and do this now. Just going to drizzle on some olive oil. This is the fun bit, I think. It's very sticky still. I don't think it's supposed to be. Oh no, I don't think this is right. We're going to bake it and we'll see. But look, there's a lot of bubbles. That's what you want with focaccia. You want all the bubbles. Look at that massive bubble there. Right, let's put some toppings on. Up or down? I'm not sure. Do you reckon like down?
Nice view of our pants in the background.
Oh yeah? Keeping it real. This looks nice. That looks very nice. Look at that!
I bought oregano if you want to put that on.
Oh yeah. I'm quite happy with that. I don't know about you. Here is my focaccia. I actually think it's come out okay, I hope. I've cut off a slice here that we're going to try with dinner. And we've also made a winter vegetable like parsnip soup for dinner. From scratch. It's going to be so good. Hey guys, so I'm editing this vlog right now. And Maurice has just come and sat right behind me and he's got his hand on my shoulder. Update on the focaccia before I finish this vlog because I didn't fill you in. It was actually really nice. I wrapped up the rest to take to Fuji's parents. What did you think of the focaccia? I thought it was really flavourful. And the tea was great as well. We both enjoyed that. It literally tasted like one of those snowball chocolate cakes things. You know, it's like a bit like a Tunnocks tea cake, but with desiccated chocolate. Is it desiccated or decimated? Desecrated chocolate around the outside.
No, that's not right.
Coconut around the outside. One of those words. Dissected.
Desiccated. I want to say desiccated, but I don't know.
Maurice. He's such a grunter sometimes. He breathes so loud. But yeah, we're just editing. But I really hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. And stay tuned to tomorrow for another one. We've got, how many days? We've got 4 vlogs after this, including this one. Is that right? I don't know. Have a lovely day. See you tomorrow. Bye.